Hello and welcome to Ideas and Trends. Today we are presenting almost 28 best fruit dessert ideas 2020 that will make your summer even sweeter. These ideas will make the freshest finale at your next dinner party or cookout. Is there anything better than eating dessert in summer when fruits and berries are at their freshest and ripest? If you are looking for some inspiration, looking no further. We come bearing the best fruit dessert pictures that you simply must try out this summer. Naturally sweet and full of flavor fruit makes the perfect addition to cake recipes, pie recipes, and other enticing treats. This season we invite you to make a blackberry-filled desserts the freshest finale to make your summer dinners. You can also stick to classics like chocolate banana boats, cherry pie, and mixed berry cobbler. But we encourage you to think outside the box too. Try creamsicle, fluff, blackberry, lime cream, puffs, and chocolate drizzled fruit infused dessert, nachos, or you can add grown up twist to your after dinner treat like cucumber key lime pie or blueberry basil frozen yogurt. A handful of cool concoctions like a berry icebox cake and blueberry yogurt ice pops will not only satisfy your sweet tooth, they'll also help you beat the heat. And remember, fruity fares doesn't need the classified as strictly after dinner indulgence. Some of these ideas like strawberry banana bread and cream cheese Danish are as perfectly at home making appearances at the breakfast table as they are capping off a Friday night dinner. And either way, they pair well with a cup of coffee. No excuse is needed to try your hand at a new fruit dessert recipe, although the lemon curd mousse will be certified party pleaser. For the best way to get your daily serving of fruits in dessert. Want more desserts? Try out our 28 different recipes. These fruit desserts showcase all the best ways to make fruit into a sweet treat, from easy strawberry crisp to our award-winning peach pie. Are you a fruit dessert person or a chocolate dessert person? Over here, the fruit dessert person, and I am chocoholic. But the older I get, the more I appreciate the subtly and nuanced flavors that fruit desserts have to offer. Also, there is something so special about the fruits of the season, like desserts you only make for a few weeks per year. That's the case with our award-winning peach pie, a creamy, custardy pie featuring the juicy, ripe peaches the season has to offer. This easy fruit crisp can be made with any summer fruit you like. It's simple to make, it's got a healthy spin and it stays so. The feeling is like eating pure blueberry or whatever fruit you choose. It's truly stunning recipe. The great thing about this fruit dessert is that it makes about 10 minutes to put together with no advanced planning. Banana Foster is that romantic dessert recipe you think you can only get in a restaurant, but it's actually easy to make at home. You just collect some summer fruits and simply cut them and mix them. Add some cream and some ingredients in it and enjoy the summer recipes. Fruits like kiwi, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, blackberries, and oranges are mostly in the summer, so you should try these recipes in your home and enjoy. If you got any idea from our video, then we will be really happy about this. If you like the video, then like it, share it, and also subscribe our channel. Take care.